being a remote worker in Nigeria has to be the most, should I say, I don't want to say unfortunate thing that can ever be, because this country will frustrate your effort, will frustrate your life. First of all, it's not like there's 9 to 5 jobs like that for people, right? Now we've tried our best to get jobs as 9 to 5 workers, tell as remote workers rather, either you're a project manager, a social media manager. So far, you're a remote worker, you're working from home type shit. Nigeria is going to frustrate your efforts. First of all, no lights. There have been a lot of areas for the past few days that there is no lights, and you see the so-called ban here. We've been suffering at least 6 hours of no lights over the past few weeks. That is number one. Then let's go to the network providers. Is it MTN? Is it Airtel? The amount of time people have called these people out and they refuse to do anything about their network is alarming. Like, I have Airtel ODU, I have Wi-Fi, I have over 4 SIM cards. Then you subscribe to multiple SIM cards, you are collecting your salary and you are subscribing to multiple data subscription from different network providers. Even as much as the Glo that is not working, I subscribe to it because at times Glo is the savior. Unfortunately, at times Glo is the savior. Now just imagine, I really don't know, we don't talk as, how are you guys coping, how are you guys keeping up? I've been unable to post. The last time I posted was February 26th. Not because I disappeared, not because I don't have videos to post, not because I've not scripted my content. I have. My plan is to post for 365 days non-stop, but thank you Nigeria, no light, no network. I had to like go to all these private router fiber providers. Now 14 days now, they've not come to install it. I'm just tired. This country will frustrate your efforts in every way possible. Remote worker, our market.